Okay, and Agnes, for the glass wool, you want to share something?
Yes, about the glass wool, we know there are mainly, let's see, three types. So how many? So what are these three types? Could you introduce briefly?
Yeah, sure. Actually, for the glass wool, we mainly have three types. First is glass wool blanket. Second is glass wool board. And the third one is glass wool pipe.
Yeah. And different types, they are used in different fields. For the let's introduce the glass wool blanket first. The glass wool blanket, we have different specifications.
Yeah.
And as we know, the glass wool blanket, it is widely used in construction field, right?
Yeah.
Like what application?
Okay.
Yeah.
Before answer your question, I have an idea. Why not show clients, show the audience what is glass wool? Just have a look.
Okay, that's good. Friends, see, this is the glass wool
Yeah.
blanket. It is very soft. You could see that I can touch it and I can press it with my fingers. Yeah.
Yes.
And this is the 50 millimeters thickness glass wool blanket. It is a yellow color and soft. And for the glass wool blanket, it's a big roll, right? Like 5 meters, 10 meters, 20 meters, or 30 meters, like this.
Yeah. We have an audience come to us. Hello, friend.
Hello, friend. Welcome to ISOKING Live Show.
Yeah, welcome to ISOKING Live Show. And this is Dio from ISOKING, and this is my colleague Agnes.
Yeah.
And you can see we are twins. Yeah, it's the ISOKING Twins Live Show.
Yeah.
Okay, we have more audience right now. Okay, welcome you guys.
Welcome to ISOKING Live Show.
Yeah, Agnes and I will introduce the glass wool and the ceramic fiber to you. Also, we will introduce some application for the glass wool and the ceramic fiber.
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue. Okay, and friend, if you have any interest or inquiry or any questions, please just tap here, and our colleague Kobe will answer you. Okay. Okay, let's continue, Agnes.
Yeah. We just introduced the glass wool blanket.
Yeah.
And we show the glass wool blanket to our audience.
Yes.
And now we are going to talk about the glass wool blanket, the application.
Yeah.
It is widely used in different fields, like such as what application?
Okay, application. Actually, for the glass wool, it's widely used for the construction. Yeah, buildings. The widely used application is this field. Yeah, and we also have other applications like the different one is HVAC.
Yeah.
It's a heating, ventilation, air conditioning field. Yeah. Okay, and also it can be used as a core material for the ceramic panel. Later, we will introduce the details to you. And Agnes, you just asked me about the application. So, for the application, are there some specifications, some fixed specifications for the application?
Yeah. For the roofing application, we mostly need 16 density, 16 kg per cubic meter density, and the thickness is 15 millimeters thickness.
Okay.
Yeah. Also 32 density, 50 millimeters thickness, and these two specifications are widely used in Southeast Asia market for roofing.
Yeah.
For the Middle East market, it's different for roofing, different specifications. So what what the specification in the Middle East market for the roofing application?
Okay, and for example, like the market of Qatar, they prefer the density at 12.
Yeah,
that's it. And the thickness is normally 15 millimeters. They prefer the glass wool with 12 kg per cubic meter for the density, and the thickness is 15 millimeters. Normally they use it with aluminum foil. I mean the glass with aluminum foil, they use it this way.
That's it.
Yeah. And Agnes, you just mentioned the specifications for the application, and we just give an example.
Yeah.
So, why clients choose the why do the clients choose the?
Yeah, we have friends.
We have friends
from our live show.
Yeah, welcome. Okay.
This is Agnes from ISOKING, and this is my colleague Dio from ISOKING.
Yeah, this is Dio, and we are ISOKING twins.
And welcome to ISOKING live show. And we are introducing our glass wool and ceramic wool. If you are interested in to learn more, just tap here, and our colleague Cole. He will answer your questions. Okay.
And we can just watch you, and we know you are here. And we have more guys. We have totally 4 guys here. You can just tap any. Thanks for your likes. Thanks for your likes. Thank you. Okay, and you can just tap here for any interest or inquiries or questions, and we can just answer you directly here. Okay, friend.
Okay, now we are going to talk about our glass wool. We mentioned that the glass wool, it is used in roofing, and the specification it decided by the different countries, different markets, right? This is the glass wool for roofing. We have 16 density, 32 density, and 12 density. 12 density it is used in Qatar market.
And Agnes just talk about the specifications and the application. My question is why the clients just choose the glass wool? Why they choose it to use it for the various application? You get me? Get me? I mean it should be related to the properties, I think.
Yeah, the reason why our client they select the glass wool blanket for roofing because of the good properties, also called the advantages. So what are the advantages of the glass wool blanket? The glass wool?
The advantage of glass wool is first, it's fireproof. Class A1, class A1 fire rating.
Yeah, our glass wool is A1 class fireproof.
So it's so safe for the buildings and construction. Okay. Second is it's soundproof.
Soundproof.
It can help people get rid of some noise. Third one is thermal insulation. It can make your warehouse or buildings not easier to get cold.
I got it. So the clients they select glass wool because of the good properties like fireproof, soundproof, and heating insulation.
Thermal and heating insulation.
And this is the glass wool feature, our advantage.
Yes.
Okay. For HVAC application, what specification do we mostly advise our clients?
Okay, for HVAC or the ducting, the air conditioning, most clients prefer the density with 16 kg per cubic meter, and thickness is 25 millimeter. Yeah, they prefer this specification. And normally for HVAC area, the glass wool is with aluminum foil. It's with aluminum foil facing. And surely, some glass has the interest for the other density like 20 kg per cubic meter, and it's also okay. Yeah, and no matter whatever you need, you can just come to us.
Okay. The specifications we introduce to you are the most popular specifications from our clients. But if you want other specification, just tell us. We could customize for you, right?
Yeah, correct. That's what I mean. Okay, let's go on. Okay. We just have a brief introduction for the glass wool blanket, and just give an example for the applications such as construction, buildings, HVAC, and we just introduce why clients choose our glass wool for this application. It's related to the properties. First is fireproof. Second is soundproof, and third is thermal and heat insulation. That's the point. Okay, and Agnes, for the glass wool blanket, which can you about the application? Can you give some more details? I mean, not just the rent, like construction, buildings, but we can give the details for the construction and buildings, like which part or which building. I mean, like steel structure, for example.
Glass wool is widely used in roofing. Civil building roofing, and the steel structure.
Okay, steel structure.
Also HVAC.
HVAC.
Also used in producing the flexible duct.
Okay, flexible duct.
Also the glass board. It is used in tank.
Okay, you just mentioned the board. Okay, glass board. So we have samples here for the board. This is the board. Okay.
Let's see. This is the glass board. Compared with the glass blanket,
it's more solid.
It's a little bit rigid.
Rigid.
Not that soft. About the glass board, could you introduce more to our clients?
Yeah, sure. Actually, glass board is another type of glass. It's made of glass pieces and some other raw materials. And for the glass board, it can be also used for the construction and buildings. And for the board, we have standard size. Standard size, you know that?
Regular size?
Yes, standard size, Agnes.
1.2 meters long and 0.6 meters wide. This is the standard size, the regular size. And if you want a big size, just tell us. We could customize.
Okay. As Agnes told you, the standard size is 1.2 meter long and 0.6 meter wide. And we can also do the customized size. Also, we can produce the board with a bigger size. That's the standard size. That's the board size. Okay, let's talk about the density. For the density, the widely used density of glass board is 48 density. And 50 millimeters thickness. This specification, it is popular use. 48 kg per cubic meter with thickness 50 millimeter is widely used. Okay, it's widely used for the buildings, the construction. Okay, and that's for the glass board. For the glass board, can we produce it with higher density?
Yeah, we could produce higher density, like 64, 80, 96, and 120 kg per cubic meter, the high density glass board.
Okay, again for the board with density. Okay, anyone here? Okay, 是从自己人。Okay, continue. For the glass board with density above 80, is the regular one or is it just different?
It's a little bit different.
Okay.
For higher density, like above 80 kg per cubic meter, it is widely used for the air conditioning. Yeah.
And for the ceramic fiber, we mainly have around 4 to 5 types by the classification temperature.
4 to 5 types.
Yeah. Okay.
So what are they?
Yeah. By the classification temperature, we have first is the standard type, and we have the first standard type. We have the common type and the standard type, the high purity type, high lumen type, and the high zirconia type. And for the types is by the classification temperature. For the standard type and the high zirconia type are widely used. Yeah. The standard type is with classification temperature is 1260 degrees. 1260 degrees, that's the classification temperature for standard type. And for the high zirconia type, it's with 1430 degrees. Yeah, 1430 degrees. These are two widely used types. Yeah. And for the ceramic fiber, just have a picture for you.
So, the ceramic fiber, how many types do we have? Is it the same as the glass insulated?
Yeah. I'm just kidding with Agnes. Yeah, you can see she's laughing. Yeah. And this is our the ceramic fiber blanket. And you can see this is the production line. And this is our ceramic fiber blanket. And this is the package. The carton package and woven bag package.
Yeah. So how many types do we have for the ceramic wool?
We have the ceramic fiber blanket, the ceramic fiber board, and ceramic fiber module, and the ceramic fiber paper. Yeah, and also, correct. We have ceramic fiber pipe.
Wow. 5 different types.
Yeah, so many different types. But widely used is blanket. Yeah, blanket widely used.
So what's the application for the ceramic insulation?
For the as you can see, ceramic fiber is with high temperature.
Yeah, very high temperature.
Yeah, it can bear high temperature. So it's normally used for industrial field. To bear the high temperature like the furnace, the boiler, the power plant.
Power plant.
Mostly the ceramic fiber is used for industrial field.
Oh, mostly used in industrial application, the ceramic.
Yeah. And for the also it can be used for some application like the The marine.
Marine.
So, yeah, it's used for marine and for the ship.
Yeah.
Ship building.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
it.
And for the ceramic fiber, the widely used density is normally 96 kg per cubic meter.
96 per cubic meter.
96, yeah, 96.
This is the most popular use specification.
And also the 128.
128.
Yeah.
So, except the density, the thickness, and the temperature. Yeah. What size? What size do we have?
For the ceramic fiber, actually, for example, for the blanket, the regular size is 610 millimeter wide. That's the width.
Yeah.
It's 610 millimeters wide. And for the length, it depends on the thickness.
The length is decided by the thickness.
Yeah, yeah.
What about the 50 millimeters? What about the length?
For example, for 50 millimeter thickness, the length is normally 3.6 meters long. Yeah, 3.6 meters long, and if it's 25 millimeter.
Yeah. What about the 25 millimeters thickness?
Yeah, it's normally 7.2 meters long.
7.2 meters long.
Yeah, yeah. That's what they use tags.
And could we customize the ceramic blanket length?
Yeah, for the length we can cut it with a customized size. Yeah, you can just come to us if you want to know other size. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the ceramic blanket.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, go on.
Okay, about the board, is it the same size like the glasswool board?
It can be the same, but mostly different. It can be with size 1.2 meter long and by 0.6 meter wide. But for the board, the regular size is like 0.9.
0.9.
0.9 meters long and 0.6 meters wide. Yeah, but the size for for the 1.2 meter by 0.6 meter is okay to produce.
Okay.
Yeah, we can also do customized size. You can just come to us to have a communication.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, and that's glass, the ceramic fiber, blanket and board.
Yeah, and ceramic board. Yeah. What about the ceramic paper? Why we call it paper? Is it very thin?
Yeah. From the name, from the product name, you got it. And yeah, it's very thin. For the thickness is 2 millimeter and 3 millimeter.
2 millimeters and 3 millimeters.
And we even have 1 millimeter.
Wow. Yeah,
so
really
it's
thin.
Yeah, very thin.
So what's the application for the ceramic paper?
It's for some technology products.
Oh, technology.
Yeah, for some products.
Technical products.
Technical products.
High-tech.
Yeah, high-tech products. And for the ceramic fiber paper, it's normally with carton package.
Carton package.
Yeah. Also for the board, it's also with the carton package. But for the blanket, we have two packages. Two packages, two types of package. First is woven bag. The other is carton package.
So what's our brand? Our brand for the ceramic?
Yeah, our brand is King for the ceramic fiber.
King our brand.
Yeah, King.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, King. Our brand for the ceramic fiber. This is our brand for the ceramic fiber. It's King wool.
Okay.
Okay, above all, we just introduce our ceramic fiber. Now, it seems that time is nearly up. Time is up. Yeah. If you guys have any inquiries or questions, you can just come to us.
Yeah. Okay. Today we introduce our today we mainly introduce our glass wool and ceramic wool. We also call it a ceramic fiber insulation. Our silicate
Aluminum silicate
products. So about the glass wool blanket, as we mentioned that there are mainly 3 different types. So blanket, board, and pipe. And we could do plain type, that is bare type. We could also do the blanket or the board or the pipe with aluminum foil facing. Yeah. Except our regular specification, if you have any special size, you could just tell us. We could check and customize for you. Yeah. This is the glass wool blanket. Except the glass wool. About the glass wool, our brand is ISOKING, ISOKING. This is our glass wool brand. Yeah. And about the ceramic wool, let's do a brief summary to our clients.
Okay, Agnes, for
Just
the
speak it a little bit slow. Okay.
yeah. Okay, for the ceramic fiber products, we have a summary. For the ceramic fiber, we mainly have the ceramic fiber blanket, ceramic fiber board, ceramic fiber paper, ceramic fiber pipe, and ceramic fiber bulk, and so on. We have many types. For example, we just introduced our ceramic fiber blanket. For the ceramic fiber blanket, we just divided into for 5 types by the classification temperature. For the ceramic fiber, we have the common type. First is common type. Second is standard type. Third one is the high purity type, and the fourth one is high alumina. The fifth is high zirconia. We mainly have 4 types by the classification temperatures. And for the classification, the temperature is widely used. The widely used type is with 1,260 degrees and 1,430 degrees. These 2 classification temperatures are widely used. Yeah. And for the ceramic fiber blanket, the widely used density is 96 kg per cubic meter and 128 kg per cubic meters are widely used. With thickness like 25 millimeter and 50 millimeters.
Yeah.
And for the ceramic fiber blanket, it's normally used for the industrial field like a power plant, boiler, a furnace, and so on. Yeah. And for the ceramic fiber blanket, we mainly have 2 types of package. First is the woven bag, second is the carton package. Okay, and we can do it with our brand King Wool. We can also do the neutral package or with your brand if you like. Yeah, and that's the ceramic fiber blanket. We also have the ceramic fiber boards. For the ceramic fiber board, it's normally with density about 28 kg, 280 kg per cubic meter or 300 kg per cubic meter. But the package is only the carton package. Yeah, and also for the ceramic fiber paper is used for high-tech products. Yeah, and above all is just the brief introduction of our glass wool and ceramic fiber. And thanks for your watching class. This is Duo from ISOKING, and this is my colleague from
Okay.
yeah,
Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching ISOKING live show. And this is Agnes from ISOKING, and this is Duo from ISOKING. If you are interested in learning more information, just welcome to visit our website. And our website is www.iking-glasswool.com. And you can also email us to send your inquiry. And our administration email address is info@iking-glasswool.com. So
you can just you can also tap your inquiries or interest on the at the bottom of the screen, so we can answer you directly, and you can just contact me, Duo or Agnes.
And any inquiry you will send to our info address. Just mention that you have watched our Facebook live show and you are interested in what insulated material.
Yeah, you got discount.
Yeah, and you will get the coupon, the discount for the insulation you inquired.
Yeah,
okay?
yeah. And thank you, friends. Thanks for your watching, and especially the for two guys just come to us from the beginning till the end. And thanks for your watching. See you next time.
See you next time, friend.
Bye bye.
记得保存。
先点结束吗？
但是得保存，我不知道怎么保存。
是不是点结束再保存？
结束直播。
结束就行是吧？
一心在吗？得保存啊。
直播即将结束，结束就行了。
保存了吗？
然后。
How to 保存？
你保的？你能保存？
我不知道呢。
我这不在这儿呢吗
？How to 保存？
我要发布吗？我手机这边是要发布吗？
我不知道啊，你应该是要发布的吧？
呀，我点一下没有那发布键了。
回放缓存？是回放缓存吗？
我不知道，你那边跟这个 Facebook 的不太一样是吧？进入一线组。不要困坏了呀！它这破玩意儿就这样。
是不是能问问怎么保存？
怎么保存？问一下，问一下涛涛。打个电话给涛涛来个视频。
我收东西。
你收东西？
我收东西。
怎么保存是吧？
我阿里还没关呢。
样品你带呢。
我阿里。
要是你搁盒子里拿楼上去得了。怎么保存是吧？
我就只点了个结束直播，应该没有啥问题。
但是他说让保存，怎么保存？
那应该得先结束再保存，因为我
哎行，
是一心让保存。
因为一心要用的，他要用那个去截视频用。截视一段段的做素材嘛，要不没有素材。
他保存还是录像机？
啥玩意儿？
还是摄像机？
相机咋？Facebook 播着呢吗？
啊？播着。
保存如何保存？我找涛涛吧。哎，涛涛。它这个结束了，然后就点结束直播了，但是好像小条说得保存，是在这个上面保存还是怎么的？
因为不已经录下来了。
对呀。
不需要了。DV 已经录完了。
DV 录完这上面就不用保存了是吗？
对对对，
哦，这个有了。DV 断过吗？断过哈。
DV 断过。
DV 就是中间没电的时候会断过一下。
哎，阿里的这个还可以，哎，不过阿里那个。上面没有。
啊。
DV 那个。
哦，等于说阿里上是不能保存的是吧？
对，就拿 DV 那个。
DV 怎么保存？
啊 ，DV 怎么保存 ？DV 这个不就直接就保存了吗？
对，录完了自己就保存了。
自己就保存了，我就直接关上不就行了？
对，它没电了。录了，哎，他录了，我看了。
我这 Facebook 上有全的，需要发布直播吗？
直接按开关，对吧？
啊。
哦，我去。我刚才直播时没有开那个无线儿，这不手机流量又用完了吗？
是用的公司的还是啥？
公司的。
没事了。
好嘞。我咋没连热？
你再看看。我这个空调应该是关了。
我咋没有连？我
响了，所以它应该是关了。
我咋没有那啥呀？
咋没有啥？
我咋没有连无线儿啊？我这流量又飞了。都啥时候？我就剩18个 G 那天提醒我。
18个 G 还少。
就剩18个 G 了。
就剩18个 G， 你知道18个 G 是什么概念吗？
你知道现在刚月初吗？
那你还老用它呀？
这都得用吗？
有瓶盖啥的是。刚才你逗我笑。我也是说没有。
哦是。
那种。
我困了。
哎呦。
我也是，主要我中午没睡觉。不过主要是我中午没睡觉。大爷的，我的流量。
这个直接合上就关了是吧？师傅。这摄像机我没用过，它是合上就算关机。
对，合机上就算关。